Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn Unit 3 Prose Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. Before reading the lesson, let's know about the author of this lesson. Children, look at the image. He is the author Daniel Defoe, born on 1660 in London. He wrote The Fortunate Mistress, a journal of the plague, Robinson Crusoe, etc. He is a trader, writer, journalist, pamphleteer, and spy. He is most famous for his novel Robinson Crusoe, published in 1719, which is claimed to be second only to the Bible in its number of translation. Now, let's read the lesson. Children, look at this image. He is Robinson Crusoe and he is staring at the footprint which is on the sand. Now let's read. Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years and longed for company. One day he discovers a footprint on the sand. Let's find out what he did then. Now let me explain this lesson. One day he was going towards his boat. Do you know what did he see? Yes, he saw the footprint. But where did it come from? He thought, as it was an imagination. But no, he was not mistaken. He had all the part of foot, that toes and the heel. Now he stood there confused. That confusion turned into fright. Fright means afraid. He kept looking behind and thought every bush was a man. When he reached his castle, he ran to his bed as if he was being chased. Castle means the place where he lives, or home. See, like it is. Look at this image. It looks like a cave, and that is his castle. He did not sleep the whole night. The more he thought, the more he afraid. He thought it could only be the savages of the mainland. Savages means wild people who had wandered out to the sea. Wandered means moving from place to place. He thought they would definitely return and kill him. If they see his boat, he lay there fearful from many days and prayed for protection. He started exploring after a few days. He saw nothing. Then he became bolder. Bolder means confident. He decided to measure the footprint with his own. He wanted to see whether they were his own print or somebody else's. The footprints were larger than his own feet. So now his fear returned. He concluded that the island was inhabited. Inhabited means occupied. Okay children, now let's see about new words. Savages, the people in primitive state. Mainland, large continuous extent of land. Wandered, go from place to place without a definite route. Bolder means more confident. Inhabited, occupied. Now let me explain the worksheet. The first one is, the words in the sentences are jumbled. Write them in order. One is done for you. Yeah, the first one, alone was not Robinson an island on. The words were jumbled. We have to write it correctly. Like Robinson was not alone on an island. So remaining all four you have to do yourself. by writing it properly. The second one, what made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? How did he decided that print is the footprint only? So you have to write the answer. Why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? Once you're done with your homework, send it to the WhatsApp group 5th standard English naps. The timing is between 6 to 8 in the evening. Okay, bye children. Take care. Let's meet in the next session.